In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom code in Webflow. If you've ever needed to add analytics, a chat widget, a custom font, or a third-party script that Webflow doesn't support out of the box, this is exactly where you do it. I'll walk you through getting to the right place in your project and show you how to paste code correctly so it works as expected. Start by heading to your Webflow dashboard and signing in. On the dashboard, find the project you want to update. Hover over its card or row to reveal the Options menu, then click the three dots to open the More Options menu. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you into the project's settings area, where you manage domains, hosting, backups, and, most importantly for today, your custom code. Inside Settings, look for the Custom Code section. Here you'll see two main fields. The first is for code that goes in the head of your site. Use this for things like analytics tags, meta tags, custom CSS, and scripts that must load before the page renders. The second field is for code that goes before the closing body tag. Use this for scripts that interact with elements on the page or that can safely load after content, like chat widgets or certain marketing scripts. If a provider tells you where to place the snippet, follow their guidance exactly. Now paste your snippet into the appropriate box. Keep it exactly as provided, including the script or style tags. Don't paste full HTML documents here. No HTML or body wrappers, just the code snippet itself. If the provider offers an asynchronous version of a script, that's usually better for performance. Give your code a quick scan for typos, then click Save Changes. To make your changes live, publish your site. Click Publish and choose the domain you want to update. Note that Webflow requires an active site plan for custom code to run on a published site. If you don't have a plan yet, you can still prepare your snippets here, but they won't execute on your live domain until a plan is active. After publishing, visit your site and test the page where the code should appear. If something isn't working, clear your cache or do a hard refresh, confirm the snippet is in the correct field, and republish. Many services also provide a verification status in their dashboards, which is a helpful final check. That's it. Your Webflow site is now using custom code safely and correctly.